Iran and the world powers have begun a new round of negotiations with hopes to settle the long-running dispute over Tehran's nuclear program by late July. Chief negotiators from the Islamic Republic, the United States, France, Germany, Britain, China and Russia have agreed upon a final deadline of the 20th of July. However, both sides claim they want to start drafting a comprehensive agreement in May. Western officials have made clear that Iran and the West are still far apart on key issues. World powers want Iran to scale back its nuclear program to deny any capability to quickly make an atomic weapon. Iran say its nuclear program is entirely peaceful and want the West to lift economic sanctions. Israel has threatened to attack Iran's nuclear facilities if diplomatic efforts fail, as the US and other Western countries have previously accused Iran of developing nuclear bomb capabilities. Iran has always contended that its enrichment program is a peaceful attempt to generate electricity.